you know, it's very unfortunate because we don't have a microphone, so if I get further from the camera, it's gonna sound bad. Let me take off these Hello Kitty. I still have my dress socks on.
I care.
You care. I'm the one that bought them.
We bought those, I thought.
Huh?
We bought those, I thought.
The socks? No. Oh, yeah, the socks, yeah. No, these. You bought these.
Yeah, no.
I had to wash it anyways.
Yeah. That annoyed me.
What?
Whenever the actual stuff came out,
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
because I felt something hot on me, I was like, this stinks.
Yeah. You know, one thing I could definitely do is get like a cheap iPhone so I can record the audio off of that, and then use your phone to record. I feel like I look like Luigi or Mario right now. Yeah. No, there's another boat right there. Another boat right there. Another boat. A lot of boats. Head guess. Why say that?
Because look at the bottom.
You burst through?
Yes.
When did you do that?
I don't know.
It's pretty crazy. Okay.
I don't know how it happened.
Alright, buddy. Let me. Damn it, I can't see how I look. It's unfortunate. Hopefully I look fine.
I thought these shoes would have lasted me the rest of the days of my life.
Great.
Like, that was gonna stay for yesterday, today, and forever.
Yeah.
I think I found out this like a few weeks ago.
Alright. AC lines. Don't need it where we're going. See, I really wish I could go to Harbor Freight right now. Another boat.
Just walk.
I'm not walking all the way to Harbor Freight. Don't need that anymore.
Anything to fix the car.
Don't need that anymore. Or actually, get that VTEC thing. Just put it by the accessories.
This?
The VTEC, the last thing I threw.
And put it by.
The accessories, where all the the timing crap is at. Ugh. Dang. My power steering boot is like obliterated. I didn't notice that ever. It's not supposed to look like that.
That ain't right.
It is not right indeed. Yeah, everything's dirty on here. Okay. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is clean it. Alright. Get this out. I'm trying to think.
The greaser. Ooh, howie zowie.
Dude, look at that, how dirty it is.
What even is that?
What is what?
That they just pulled.
It's one of the exhaust shrouds, like to stop it from overheating. And then this is for the transmission. It's a part of the transmission. This is a wheel speed sensor. That's a brake line. Let me not break that.
You don't need brakes.
I'm not going to use the ABS, so I don't really need that yet, but definitely don't want it to be broken. Here's all this.
Hey, it's a fuel pump. My car needs that. Are those all oil spills?
That's all because of the power steering pump. Because Honda doesn't know how to make a good one. Now bring some of the wire brushes. Get this crap clean. And bring the water hose. thing the water hose too.
Okay.
Damn. I need this crap out the way. For the birds. What is this? What is this for? That goes into
I brought it.
the car steering pump. So that's definitely gonna get cut out. All right. There's the brush. There's the brush. All right. So I'm gonna spray down that. You pre-soak this with water. You know what's great? This is technically anti-rust solution. It's the way that we're gonna view it. All right. You can pause the video for now.